you're feeling sluggish and tired, step into a pina colada bang. Alright, once again, welcome to Creative TV. And today we're going to be taking you over to the 7 Magic Mountains over in Nevada. So let's go. Alright, so here we are at 7 Magic Mountains in Nevada, just 12 miles past the state line. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the colorful large-scale artwork known as 7 Magic Mountain is an exhibition located in the desert outside of Las Vegas. They stand 30 to 30 feet high. Their day-glow totems comprise of painted and locally sourced boulders. Very colorful. So the colorful stones known as 7 Magic Mountains, they're visible across the desert landscape along Interstate 15. So if you're driving on the 15 going towards Las Vegas, as soon as you pass the old casino called Terrible's on the right hand side, you'll be able to see the 7 Magic Mountains to the right. Alright, so there you have it, the 7 Magic Mountains located in Nevada. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll see you at the next video.